Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress plugins for affiliate disclosure and compliance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for affiliate disclosure plugins. In the search bar, type affiliate disclosure to find relevant plugins. Choose a plugin that suits your needs. Click on Install Now to add the chosen plugin to your site. Once installed, click on Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, locate the new plugin in your dashboard. Click on the plugin settings to configure your disclosure options. Read through the plugin documentation for specific setup instructions. Customize the disclosure message to reflect your affiliate relationships. Make sure the message is clear and easily understandable. Choose where you want the disclosure to appear on your site. Some plugins offer options for placement, like posts or footers. Adjust the settings according to your website's design and layout. Once you're satisfied with the settings, save your changes. Preview a post or page to see how the disclosure looks. Ensure it appears correctly and is easily noticeable. If necessary, return to the settings to make further adjustments. Additionally, consider compliance with local regulations regarding affiliate links. Make sure your disclosure meets the legal requirements for your audience. Review your website to ensure all affiliate links have appropriate disclosures. Conduct regular checks for updates on the plugin and WordPress. Keep your disclosures updated to maintain transparency and trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.